When you're thinking of your email marketing, there's two components to it. One is what it is you're saying. So, what is in the email marketing messages that you're actually writing to your clients and to your potential clients. And the next part is who you're saying it to. So, there's two parts: what you're saying and who you're saying it to. With Email Marketing V2, we've updated the interface and the paradigm of how you build your email marketing to more closely reflect that. So now you can create your email campaigns and you can write your email messages and do all of your marketing messages and your sales messages over there. But you can also create your email list and manage that separately and then use that list in as many different campaigns as you'd like to use it in. So let me hop into Sprout right now and show you exactly how that works. In the email marketing section over here on the left-hand side, you're now going to see two sections. One is for email campaigns, and the second, which is the new one, is for email lists. So let me go ahead and click Add New for my email list. Now, this might look familiar if you are used to using the Sprout Studio email marketing system already, because this is how you currently build an email marketing campaign. So I'm going to just call this my email list. And now you can go ahead and just create all the filters that you'd like to create in order to make this list. So maybe this is just for your wedding shoots. So we'll go ahead and just quickly and easily do that. And there we go. I can quickly preview who's on this list. And of course, I can make sign-up forms to put onto my website or to email out or to link to from Facebook or whatever makes sense for me. So I can basically now make this list and I can create it. But now the best part is that I can use that and reuse it, or I can take that email list and reuse it over and over and over again. So if I open up my email campaign page and I click Add New, and let's just go ahead and make a drip campaign. At the top here, you're going to see two options. One is custom list. Now this will be what you're currently using. So this will be if you wanted just to quickly make a one-off list and send something off to all of your wedding leads or all of your portrait clients or anything like that. You could do that really quickly in one place, the same way that you've always been able to. But now you also have the ability to click email list. It's going to ask you if you want to go ahead and overwrite any settings that you've already put in here. You click yes, go ahead. And now you can simply choose that email list that you've created. And so this is now where you can recreate or reuse those email lists over and over and over again. So now you click my email list and you can set live, and that email list that you previously created will now get all of the messages in this campaign. Now, what you might see is a different screen when you open up your existing email campaign. So because previously the email list was built into the email campaign, you're going to need to take a minute just to kind of separate those two. So if you open an existing campaign here, you're going to see a little message at the top that says, hey, this is a older version of email marketing. Do you want to go ahead and convert this? So just take note the name of this campaign. It's called My Marketing Campaign. I'm going to go ahead and click Convert Email List. It's going to ask me just to confirm that I want to do that. I will click Yes, Convert. And that will go ahead and actually make now a separate email list using the same email list that you had already created in this specific campaign. And it will have chosen that list right here. So if I go ahead and just click Save Changes, and then click the email list section on the left-hand side, there is an email list called My Marketing Campaign, which is the same name as the email campaign that we just took that email list from. So that is how you can take your existing campaigns and convert them to use a list. And now you can reuse those over and over again.